say that you're either in the office and you're setting up a new client, or you're in the field as a technician and that client is not in your database. How do you set up a new client? Well, there's lots of ways you can do it. You can do it when you're inside of a job, an existing job. You can, let me click on that 5. You can come in here and you can set up a new client. Now, right now it's got a client in there. So once you're in there, you could say, well, I need a new client for whatever reasons. You could come over here and hit new client right now. And then you can add the new client. You can put their name in there, Jason Center. And by the way, this can be a name of a business, or this can be the name of the contact. They call it a contact. And so you'll see that down here, there is not a name for the business. So you may, if you're doing commercial property, set it up under the name of the business. If you're doing it to a home, you might set it up under the name of the homeowner, Martha Williams, as an example. And then maybe her email address is mwill123. And I got to make it where there's no way there's actually someone that does this. So I'm going to play a whole and kind of @gmail.com, because what will happen is, this becomes live, and I'm just trying to make this thing where there's no way that this could be an email address, but you're getting the drift. You put the email address in, you can put their primary phone number there, they can. You can put their cell phone number, their address, their state, their zip code, source of lead, if there is one, whatever that may be. Maybe it's a referral. You can put tags in here, which we'll go over another time. And let's see if with that amount of information, it will let me add the new client. Let me hit save. And let's see if it's asking for anything else here. And sometimes what will happen is I'm going to go back to the contact list. Now it will say you didn't provide enough information, but in this case, it allowed me to put it in there, and now they're one of the clients.